Hello, everybody. I'm Beth Rodgers. We are honored to be here tonight. Over to my far right, we have Paul Fincham. Closest to me, Timmy Lansbury. Behind me, Mr. Steve Lamb. On mandolin, Troy Gooding. And Wesley Fincham down on guitar. And we are going to do a little bit of Listening to the Rain. I'm sitting here tonight and the rain, it's driving me crazy. It's just as cold inside, all the warmth is gone without my baby. In my mind something stirs and my lips start calling out your name. While I'm sitting here wondering where you are and listening to the rain. To the beating that I'm taking. The window's gonna hold, but look at me, I'm already breaking. Memories tugging at my heart, and it's gonna break beneath the strain. While I'm sitting here wondering where you are and listening to the rain. Try to block it out, but all that I can see is you and her love. Knowing that it might be true, that's the thing that's causing all this pain. While I'm sitting here wondering where you are and listening to the rain. While I'm sitting here